Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying essentials, power, cables, and whether your ISP has an outage. Disconnect non-essential devices so the network load is minimal and plug one device directly to the modem or router to test. Once done, reboot modem first, wait 60 seconds, then reboot router. This forces a fresh IP and clears transient errors. Make sure Ethernet is used for the test if available. Because wired connections, rule out Wi-Fi radio issues when diagnosing. Once you've isolated a device, access the router's admin page to confirm DHCP is enabled, DNS entries are correct, and firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can break handshakes. On your device, inspect IP configuration, confirm gateway and DNS. Renew the lease if addresses look wrong. Test with Ethernet first. If wired works but Wi-Fi does not, check SSID, password, channel congestion, and signal strength. Make sure to reboot client devices after router changes to refresh. To finish, perform targeted fixes. Reset the device network stack or forget and rejoin the Wi-Fi. If multiple devices fail, try swapping Ethernet cables or a spare router. If problems persist, a factory reset of the router can clear persistent misconfigurations, but backup settings first. As a troubleshooting tip, collect clear evidence, status lights, error messages, and the results of Ethernet versus Wi-Fi tests. Then call your ISP. Sharing those details speeds resolution and avoids repeated steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.